Last time on Sailing Zatara.
While we continued to deal with the delays in the closing of the boat, we had plenty to keep us busy, including toilet repairs and water heater repairs. We also made some new friends and just had a good time just hanging out on the docks.
I tell you a story about me and you, out on the water, surrounded by the blue. They scream that only I'll be saved. They toss off the line, but I just let it float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. Float away, float away. Yeah, I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away. I'll let it float away.
Before we were able to break free from the marina and get out on the water, there were a few things still to take care of. So let's back up a bit and we'll start this episode with us moving in and wrapping up some last-minute boat details.
Hey, we're so excited!
Container's showing up!
Yay! We get all of our stuff, our clothes. Why are you touching me there?
Oh. I don't know, I got excited. I thought we was doing something else. I don't know.
I can finally paint my toenails. And we can finally change clothes, Kate. 5 minutes and I'll be here. It's moving day! Here we are, we're boxing up all of our stuff from our home slash boat.
What is this, like the 4th time we've moved?
Yeah. Well, hopefully we're gonna put it all into a newish catamaran pretty soon.
I think we're getting her done.
It's a lot easier to put away stuff than empty out a boat.
Yeah?
You think?
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
This is tedious thing.
Well, that's what makes our sailing adventure fun, having stuff to play on and having the right stuff to cook with and snorkel with.
No, that stuff's not going back in there. That's right.
It was actually really nice unpacking everything because we have so much room now and we have places to put it all.
My tool bags, my go-to tool bags will go in right there. My one that I have all my little stuff in.
Yeah, and that chair.
In the chair. So all these chairs have
Nice, yeah.
wide
Storage.
open. I mean, they're all deep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
and
that's
lots
great.
of stuff.
The problem with deep lockers is that we had to first get smaller containers to keep everything organized.
You think y'all are making any progress?
It doesn't feel like it.
Fixing the video. It's all
Yeah,
fixed
because we've got the boxes filled, and now we just gotta tuck them away.
Tuck them away.
You don't want to keep that box?
It's 9 o'clock. We're still working, or rather Keith is still working because he does not know how to stop working.
I'm changing the scuba compressor motor. Hey, if you buy a European boat, or a European standard boat, which is 230 volt, 240 volt, 50 hertz, you can't run American appliances on unless you have a converter, and that's not an efficient. So if it's your first boat, it's not a big deal because you're going to buy all your appliances for the boat, and you'll make sure they're 240 volt appliances. But if you already had a boat that was an American boat, a 110 or a 60 hertz boat, then you've already got all this stuff, and then you got to adapt it to the new boat. So that's why we're doing all this.
So that's the new motor?
New motor.
Wow, that looks a lot bigger than the old motor.
Yeah.
This has got a big old box.
So how much was the motor?
This was $2,200.
Just the motor?
Well, I got some extra parts.
And how much was this scuba compressor we bought it? Wasn't it 5,000?
Yeah, $4,500.
Ooh, so that's half of it.
Yeah, really.
Jeez.
We also purchased a Bauer Junior scuba compressor so we can refill our scuba tanks whenever we want. We didn't go for big this time, we went for the Junior. It's a manual machine, so you have to drain the moisture and oil after every refill, which is not a big deal. But the next one up was automatic and also $10,000 more.
Dad's teaching us how to drive a stick shift while we're here on the marina because we've got so much time on our hands. It's a useful skill to have while we're learning to get our license.
The stick shift wasn't too hard for me to get used to because I rode dirt bikes and motorcycles at Montana and stuff. So that was pretty easy for me to learn and get down.
We went to the cafe like every day for Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna miss Fidi, Maria, Kiki, Katarina, and yeah, I'm gonna miss that place.
When we got bored on the docks, we'd go skateboarding and go to the cafe and get Wi-Fi. But I'm most excited about getting out of the docks and going sailing.
In just about every country we've been to, you have to deposit a coin in order to get a grocery cart. And of course, we always bring our own bags. Every store charges about 10 cents a bag if you need them. So it seems that most other countries are taking a proactive approach to reducing plastic and waste. It'll be nice when all the U.S. grocery stores adopt this mindset. And you get your coin back when you return the cart. This is it.
Everything good, Merrick?
Excellent. We finally got the paperwork done to take the boat out on our own. We still have flag issues, but that should be resolved soon. Alright, this is it. Say goodbye to the marina.
Finally.
We're leaving the marina, hopefully for the last time. We won't see this marina anymore. We're just gonna go anchor out on one of these pretty anchorages and play. But that's all of the marina. We're saying goodbye. Since our new neighbors squeezed in beside us, we asked the previous owner of the boat to help us maneuver safely out of the slip. This boat was a gift given to Merrick by his dad 12 years ago, right before he passed away. So he cherished the opportunity to stand at the helm one last time before passing the reins on to us. It was a sentimental time for him, but an exciting new adventure for us. And Keith is officially on the helm.
On the helm.
This is scary.
I'm on the helm.
Do you like the helm this time than the other boat?
Yeah, it's good.
I love this boat.
Do you?
I do. I'm gonna go in my room and see what it feels like to be rocking and rolling. Whoa.
We pulled out
Yeah, you might want to cook some stuff up.
I would have never stood cooking in the galley in the Monohull while we were sailing or even motoring. Even in light seas, it was always uncomfortable. I couldn't even tell we were on the water this time. The waves were only about a meter or two, but still, it was very solid and stable. There, look, my Evo balances, so it shows how off kilter we are. We're healing quite a bit.
Yeah, look, this is me standing.
I know.
Well, we pulled out. Merrick helped us get off the dock, and he got real emotional and teared up, and I was tearing up too because this has been his baby.
Did he? I didn't even
Yeah,
notice.
it's right here. He couldn't even speak. I felt sorry for him.
Letting his baby go for the last time.
Yeah.
Aww.
So.
Well, he's taking good care of this boat.
Yeah.
It's gonna be good for us.
That's right.
Are you Napoleon Dynamite? Beautiful painting job. What does that indicate? 100 meters?
30 meters?
30 meters.
is a firm grip. I think we're set. I think we're set on hook.
Yeah, Jake's got to put the bridle on. And what does the bridle do?
The center's so it's not pulling on all this.
Yeah, I need to be on the other side. Yeah. It's not gonna fall off, is it? No.
We'd like to give a huge shout out to all our friends who bought Z gear and are proudly sharing our positive vibes with the world. Thank you guys for supporting us and encouraging us as we continue this crazy adventure. You can get your Z gear by going to our YouTube homepage and find the Redbubble icon in the top right corner that says Get Your Z Gear Here. This link will take you to the Sailing Zatara shop where you can find t-shirts and mugs and stickers and all sorts of stuff. The tri-blend shirts are the softest you can find. Proceeds go to Anna's college fund, so help her out by getting your goodies now. I got to give a special thanks to Heather Williams and family from Texas. Heather sports her Zatara shirt and hat literally all over the world, from China to Norway to Hawaii. Heather, we love you guys. Keep traveling.
And let's see if there's any obstacles I need to be wary of.
So we just left Greece, and we're heading to Turkey, and the kids are raising the sail.